Hey everyone, Billy Foulkes here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2022 Harris Cruiser 230. This is the Fish and Cruise model, so I'll go ahead and start in front. This boat was optioned with the blue exterior with the black anodized rub rail, fencing, and bimini tops, of course. So it looks very sharp. It's a metallic blue, stands out. It's really pretty. Inside we have the Moonlight gray enhanced seat package, and so this is very soft to the touch, stays cool in the hot summer sun, and has the recessed cup holders with USB ports. So in those cup holders and under the seats we actually have RGB lighting. It changes colors. You can just push a button and leave it on one color. You can push the button again and have it on the strobe effect, going fast or slow, however you want it. Under all of these seats there's plenty of storage. I'll actually lift this seat up to just give you guys an idea. In here we have the cooler that comes with the boat, the movable cup holder, so you can put that anywhere out throughout the boat that you need additional cup holders. But in general, in pontoon boats, especially Harris boats, there's cup holders everywhere. So from there, I want to show you guys the ski locker. You can put tons of stuff in there. You can put deflated tubes, wakeboards, skis, fishing poles, anything you guys can think of. Over here on the port side, we have an entry and exit door. Very easy to maneuver. Additional storage under here, and if you guys wanted to, we can install a changing room curtain. Going up to the helm, we optioned this with the biggest display we could, which is the Simrad 9-inch. That's a touchscreen, fish finder, depth finder, navigation, engine information, everything built into it. Right over here, we have a removable windscreen, but also a little cubby hole with a wireless phone charger. This boat was optioned with the Clarion system. It has the Clarion head unit and 4 speakers throughout the boat. Over here we have plenty of room for your switches, your RGB lights that I was telling you about, bilge pump on the ski locker, anchor light, nav light, all that good stuff. One other thing I want to point out is the throttle right here. So you can tell, see how easy it is to shift that in forward and reverse? That's because it's a digital electric control, so very easy to put in forward and reverse. We have the Ultra Luxe Helm seat, so it's the high back recliner. It reclines, it swivels all around, all that good stuff. Nice little port side bench seat with additional storage in it. And moving back, we have the upgraded fishing seats, and these swivel, but these are like little lazy boys. They're so comfortable. I love them. It sold me on the Fish and Cruise. It's one of my favorite things about it. Then right here we have our dual battery switch. Over here we do have a fish washdown, or a washdown sprayer, I should say. And then of course your live well, which doubles as a cooler. So say you guys aren't fishing, fill this up with ice, fill this up with drinks, and you're good for the day. Back here we have 4 rod holders. We also have removable rod holders that you can see right there, that little slot. The rod holder goes in there, so you don't have to get up out of your seat while you're fishing. You can be nice and comfortable. Ski tow bar, again 200 horsepower Mercury, extra wide stainless steel boarding ladder. And one thing I forgot to mention is this boat does have the Performance Level 2 package. So 3 full-size tubes, a larger fuel tank, I believe 37 gallons. So you guys can be out on the water all day long having fun. Again, this was Billy with MarineMax showing you the 2022 Harris 230 Fishing Cruise. Come by and see us soon.